As a food lover, I always enjoy experimenting with flavors in the kitchen. This evening, my youngest daughter had a craving for fried rice and asked if I could make some for dinner. I said okay, but as luck would have it, I realized I didn't have any fried rice spice on hand and nowhere close by to buy. For a moment, I was quiet. I didn't want to disappoint Jolene, and at the same time, it was too late to go looking for fried rice spice to buy. So I decided to get creative with what I already had at home. I used my homemade Curry Masala spice blend to cook the fried rice. Yes, you heard me. I used Curry Masala to cook the fried rice. Come to my kitchen, let me show you how I turned an ordinary batch of rice into a vibrant aromatic dish using my homemade Curry Masala spice. So I started by sauteing my onions in the oil I used to fry my chicken, like so. Meanwhile, I've already washed my rice and strained it out. I don't parboil my rice when I'm cooking fried rice. Instead, I just wash it and then put in the rice into the oil like this. Continue to fry. This will help dry out the starch, so when the rice is cooked, it doesn't stick to each other. So I fried for some time and then I went in with my curry masala. If you want me to show you how I made this homemade curry masala, please comment in the comment section and I'll be glad to do that. So I went in with the curry masala spice and then I mixed for some time. And then I went in with boiled water. I'd already boiled my water. I went in with boiled water like so, just enough to cook the rice. Mix. And then went in with some salt. You may be wondering why I'm cooking plenty rice like this. I have a very large family. I'm cooking for 10. Yes, I went in with some salt, some seasoning cube, and I added the stock from my chicken like this. I mixed and then covered it to cook. So while that is cooking, I decided to prep my vegetable. This is my carrot, my chopped carrots. I just put it into a frying pan with a little oil, like so. They stir fresh a little. I went in with green beans. Like this. Please, if you're liking this video, if you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. I'll be super excited to have you join the family. So I also added in some scotch bonnet pepper, which I just crushed in the mortar, like this. Just stir fry for some time. Look at how beautiful this is looking, and covered it to simmer for some few minutes. Now went back to our rice. It's almost done, as you can see. So I now added our peas. You know, peas is stronger than carrots and the other vegetables. So I now added it into the rice and covered it to cook. Just mixed it like this and then covered it to cook, like so. So now our rice is ready. So I just added our vegetable into the cooked rice under low heat and mix like so. Just make sure that you mix everything until it's well combined, like so. And see how gorgeous this rice is looking. I call it Curry Masala Rice. My daughter said we should just name it vegetable rice. What do you think? Which name do you think fits it best? Please comment in the comment section. I just took my time to mix it very well like this, so that the vegetables will be evenly distributed in the rice, like so. Continue with the remaining vegetables again, like this, and mixed it again. Again, if you are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Support your girl by liking, sharing, and commenting. Most importantly, please subscribe to this channel and help me grow. I garnished it with the purple cabbage just for extra color. Yeah, like this. Wow. See how beautiful this rice is looking. This is beautiful. And not only is it looking beautiful, it also tasted very nice. There you have it. Our masala fried rice is ready. This recipe is a perfect example of how creativity in the kitchen can lead to amazing results. So if you're someone who likes experimenting in the kitchen, I highly recommend trying this twist on a fried rice and share your experience in the comment section. I bet you will be glad you did. So this is it. Our gorgeous pot of masala fried rice is ready to be served. I served mine with some peppered chicken, and believe me when I said it was mouth-watering nice. Please don't forget to share this video like I said, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next.